Welcome everyone, let's add a white background to a photo on iPhone. So you will need to download two apps from the App Store. The first one is going to be Fonto. This is free. And once you have this downloaded, the second app in question is Magic Eraser. Make sure you also download this onto your iPhone. So from here, let's open up the Magic Eraser app, and you're going to be brought you'll be brought to an ad. So just tap on the X here, tap on the X one more time. I'll tap on photo, and you just want to select the photo you would like a white background for. So let's say this one here. We'll just tap on done, and so you have here the Magic Eraser, the regular erase, and the restore tool. So just tap on the empty space for Magic Wands or Magic Eraser, and then you have the tolerance. So the higher the tolerance, the more it will remove. So I'm sliding it, and that has removed most of the background already. I'm going to slowly ramp it up, and you can see now it's starting to remove stuff I don't want. So if I slide, I'd say that looks good enough. Then I'll tap on the erase tool. Let's zoom in. I'll just remove this stuff right here. And you know what, I didn't do a perfect job, you can see. So I'll tap on the restore tool, and I'll just restore some of the stuff. Of course, you can zoom in, do very precise movements. If you were actually doing this, you'd probably spend a good 5 to 10 minutes. For me, of course, I just spent one there. Once everything looks good, just tap on the share icon, share, and then high resolution. Now from here, we're going to open up the Fonto app. We're going to tap on the camera icon, play in images, tap on the white one, select the aspect ratio here you would like your image to be, then tap on the share, use, or tap on the triple dots, add image, find the image in question, done. Tap on the image, resize, and just like that we are good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. When you're ready, tap on the share, save image. See you guys later. Bye bye.